back out. It's been a while, a couple of weeks. Last week was all these storms. It's been wild, hasn't it? The weather's been mad. We're going to go up onto this, well, along that path to there and then double back top of Blencath. We're not going the dangerous way because it's a bit icy and that. But look who's here. This is Bushman in Blue's car. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it's Bushman's car. Oh, Bushman. Bushman. Anyway, I'm parked right beside him. Probably see him up here then, he might be up here. He likes Blencathra. Right, we're ready then? Are you happy? Mm-hmm. Happy?
Yep.
This is Leanne. Who is she? Who is me? My new pal, Tomto's off the team, Tomto. He's too old. He's too old and too decrepit. So we'll binned him off. Lovely day, but we are expecting some extreme weather in the morning. So we might be bailing out. Might not. So we've come from down there up a really steep way up this way. We're both dying, so unfit. Up there and on that way. Not sure where Bushman is. People have been saying they've passed him on the way up, so we'll see. It might be really windy on the top, in which case we'll have to come down a bit and find a little bit more sheltered spot. We'll see. Whew! Lovely day though. It's Great Mount Fell. That's the path up there. Sketchy as out, it's icy. It's blowing a gale here. We think it's going to be wild up there. We're going to call it and pitch down here. A bit more sheltered. Better if we'll have to bail out. Aye. That path up there. And it's getting icy here. We're skidding about. So I think it might be a bit dangerous. Haven't brought my spikes out. Foul crag. A sharp edge actually, sharp edge going along there. Mungrai still coming. Yeah, so I think we'll go down, back down here. I mean, we're still a good height. We're a hell of a height. And the forecast of that wind up there could be dangerous. So we'll be better off if we're getting down to the car if we're down here. So how will we go back down there? It's no shame in it. Set the tent up. So we decided, in all our infinite wisdom, that path up there is a path of death. I haven't got spikes, we're slipping all over it coming up here, so that's going to be a nightmare up there. And if it does get rough, it's going to be easier to get down to the car from here. Bail out just down that path. You know, it's still a mile away, like, but a lot easier than coming down that in a gale. So yeah, we'll err on the side of caution and we'll just pitch here. Still in the snow line, still pretty high up in the old data. I don't know if it's flat, like it doesn't look very flat to me. Maybe alright. Maybe right. It's flat enough. So just kind of lob all the gear in and crack a beer soon. It's nearly beer o'clock. O'clock, clock. That's a good picture. Lonely old tent on a hill, on a hillside. What a hillside though. Views are incredible. the bushman, if you're up there, we weren't brave enough to go up there. We'll get you next time. Oh, it's getting wicked now. I've just recorded the wind chill, -8. That's mad. So, bushman, if you're up there, got your blooming winter long johns on. It's me doing that. Bad enough being here. The wind's picking up now. Just got all the gear in. Nice your stance, like a limpet on the rock. Aye. A few refreshments. Nice, cosy. Bolting out here, like.
I'm not coming out and seeing it.
Oh, baby. Turn off. -7 wind chill I recorded. It's about 1 degree. I would not like to be up on top of Lancaster. It's getting windy here and it's just, I can't imagine what it's like up there. But I'm on the beer. And what are you having?
Nothing yet.
Something to eat. Beef stew with potatoes. Just waiting.
Beer's out there.
Just waiting for it. Right, that's been going around tightening the guy lines, tightening these up, battening our hatches because we're expecting a lot of wind, big wind. We've got a bit of shelter here off this. We're on the leeward side, so any wind that does come will be like, it should be like diffused by that, and then it'll hit the tent. Should just go straight over it. This is the door. It's pretty solid, like. Yeah, it should be alright. It's actually a bit mad being out on this, but we're not up high, so we do have to bail out in a hurry. One more far to go. All sorted. Crazy that mats, like slipping around all over the mats. Oh, gotta get in now. It's absolutely, it's about -2. So I'm gonna get in now. I'm gonna shut this door because it's getting chilly. Just get it nice and warm in there, cosy. Chill out. Well, here we go. All the beer's been drank. Leanne's mortal. How's it going? Alright? Alright. And we've got the disco light on. Bit of music, radio 2. We've had Craig Charles on most of the night. We're drinking the beers. That's where it's at. Oh. What?
Nothing. There's nothing to you.
Somebody trying to tell you to watch the adverts. You gotta watch the adverts, motherfucker. That's right. Click like and subscribe and watch the adverts. This time next year, we'll all be millionaires.
You wish.
Yeah, we will. Probably won't be like. Excuse me.
Pig.
Beast mode. Here we go. You ready? Didn't really react very well, did it? Everybody put your hands in the air! Let me hear you say yeah! DJ 80s, we're off. Woo! Got wild. There we go. Proper snow. Really, really wild now. It's blowing a gale. But you know, we're still surviving. So bright. 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not getting a great deal of sleep. Been some really vicious gusts of wind, like violent gusts of wind. Taking, I don't know how much more we can put up with. The rain's on. Oh. Gusts were like 60, 70 mile an hour. It's bending, the pole's flexing, but it's not losing its shape now. Morning campers, Heidi High, now zeros up, zilch can't be asked, too windy. Welcome to a survival situation. Or more specifically, the worst camp ever. Look at the wind, man. How was your night?
Windy, cold, wet.
Miserable.
Aye.
I loved it. Oh, this is really bad. I mean, this tent has took some real punishment last night, like absolute battering. That's got to be 70 mile an hour gusts, some of them are vicious, man. The back pole was bending right in, but when the wind eased it just bent straight back out, it popped back out. I think it's designed to do that. But this is, oh, this is horrific. I'm going to put the camera away and get off this hill now because it's getting dangerous. So we're off. Well, we're off. Nearly got blown off our feet. Absolutely ridiculous. What were we thinking? Before anybody criticises us, look at the weather yesterday. It was nice yesterday. And the forecast wasn't for this, like. Oh. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong forecast. So we're off down the hill. We're going to go and get some breakfast. and if anything happens on the way down, bring you back. If not, we'll see you on the next one. Hey, honestly. Well, we're back down. Come down that way. Zigzag a lot easier. And look who we found. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? He's all shy, look. Shy because he's met me.
He's only shy because he does not like going in the car, so he always just cowers. Every time he's near a car, just sort of veers away. So
we picked up a
look.
hitchhiker. He's here. I found him yesterday. We're filming the car. I'm like, oh, look who it is. So, good camp.
That was the hardest camp I've ever done by a long way.
It's awful, wasn't it?
It really was awful, yeah.
There you go. So I'm not making it up.
No.
Good camp. You're the only one that doesn't look out of breath or knackered or dead.
She is proper hardcore, isn't she?
Good camp, Blue.
Hey, Bluey dog.
Alright, we'll leave it there.